We went to some senior singer's van in Dubai for like some shoot that dad was doing. And I don't know what happened. I sat on her lap or something.
And she was really skinny, okay? Like really skinny.
And so I guess my bones were hurting her.
So I didn't know what to do, so I put my hand there.
Under my lap. And then I've gotten up and started laughing. And then Papa got so big. He was like, get out! Me, him and her have a group called No Entry May Entry on WhatsApp.
You don't want to know.
And it's the most wrong group in the world.
Really?
She used to bully
Do
me.
I look like a bully?
Yes, you do.
No,
I
I
would
don't.
cry. I would
What?
go home crying because
She's bad. Because she would come with a fake accent every day. New accent she'd come.
I enjoy if I have a fight with someone, I enjoy fake crying, giving a breakup. I like doing that drama.
Is that
and
normal?
What?
Is that normal? She'd lock herself in the room and she'd start crying and I'll open the door. I'll start laughing. She'll also start laughing.
Because
I'm
she
why
knows
are
I'm
you
fake.
doing this?
I think it was as bad for her, honestly.
Yeah.
So
I think it was as bad. I don't even remember that time. I was staying with them the entire time. I genuinely don't remember what happened.
I don't think any of us have
Memory.
of
That.
it's all a blur.
They say you can't choose your family. What you can choose are your friends. And sometimes certain friendships end up in family. Introducing the buddy season on No More Secrets with two of the coolest BFFs in town, Janhvi Kapoor and Tanisha Santoshi. Welcome. This is the first time we are getting, friends on the show. And from what I know, that you guys have been friends since birth.
Yeah.
What's the age difference between you two, and how did you guys what's the connection?
She's like a year and a half older to me.
Yeah.
She was actually best friends with my brother because he's older. And then I came along.
And then I forgot the brother and I became best friends with her.
Yeah.
What are the things that you connect on, being friends for so long?
So I think this is a good time to give that disclaimer now. Me and her have a problem. We just laugh out of context
At
for
anything.
at anything and everything. So you can be reaching for the fry
And I find that funny.
yeah,
and
and we
she'll
just start
with
laughing.
me.
You don't understand how many people we've offended in life. We've had guests over, senior artists come home. We've gone for events, and me and her have just burst out. I remember we went to some senior singer's van in Dubai for
yeah.
some shoot that dad was doing. And I don't know what happened. I sat on her lap or something.
And she was really skinny, okay? Really skinny. And
so I guess my bones were hurting her.
So I didn't know what to do, so I put my hand there.
Under my lap, and then I've gotten up and started laughing, and then Papa got so big. He was like, get out! So yeah, basically we laugh a lot. So I don't mean to offend anyone, it's just that we'll start laughing.
But I think you've got that from your dad. For people who don't know, she's the daughter of celebrated filmmaker Rajkumar Santoshi, who actually has given us so many gifts.
Cult classics.
Of course, Andaz Apna Apna, who can forget. So you never wanted to become an actor. You want to become a director, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
So you've got that also from your dad.
Yeah.
So, how has he influenced you? Talking about you, when you were growing up, of course, they always say that, when you see a parent doing something, you tend to have affinity towards the same kind of profession. So was that the same for you?
Yeah, because that's all I've seen. I've, gone to his sets. I've seen him. He's an amazing, brilliant storyteller.
Yeah.
And I think that's why, I want to tell stories. I want to be a director. It's literally only because of him.
So she has told me that your favorite pastime is to make fun of her. And you have told me that there are a lot of things that Janhvi does that people don't know about, which are actually quite stupid. What is the stupidest thing that she's done, according to you?
So she has this whole I'm a cool girl attitude, okay?
I'm a cool girl.
But she's not cool.
I'm cool.
So basically, we were in the 9th, 10th grade. She was in the 10th, I was in the 9th. And we had this impromptu trip of going to London.
We have the worst luck with travel plans. The worst luck. Every travel situation that we've been in together has always gotten messed up.
Really?
So basically, we were on our way, and Shri Auntie and Boni uncle were already in London, and my parents were taking all of us. Okay, we passed through security, passed through immigration, passed through everything, and we're just about entering the flight.
Entering the
And
flight door.
The
is
flight
there.
door we can see. Okay, and Janhvi she wants to act cool, right? So she's like, by the way, don't mind me. I love to listen to music while I travel.
And I put on my
And she
headphones.
puts on her head, she's dancing, she's walking, she's doing some weird dance. And cut to an officer looks at her passport and he's like, ma'am, you can't travel. basically, her passport, her visa had this rule that she couldn't travel to the UK without her parents.
Some unaccompanied minors. I think I was
So
a
we
minor.
have gone all the way back, like back home to my house, and we slept the night in June.
And like we were thrilled because we were going to London together. We told everyone, you know,
School.
won't see you for a couple of weeks because we're going to London. And like we made it our Facebook status and cut to next day we're waiting outside school.
But listen, yeah, how did the friends react? Like, do you have a similar set of friends? Of course, Khushi is part of the same group.
Yeah,
but I mean, like in school, I have a different set of friends. She has a different set of friends.
But
She's
at
a
one
year older.
point,
but
like,
yeah, like
we-
now it doesn't matter. Now I think like her friends are some of my friends. My
Yeah.
friends are some of her friends.
like the director of my film, Sharan, he like me, him, and her have a group called No Entry May Entry on
You
WhatsApp.
don't want to know.
And like it's the most wrong group in the world
Why?
because it's just wrong. But yeah, like I think the three of us, I think our friends are the same now.
yeah, now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you know both the sisters. Who are you closer to in terms of friendship and also in terms of personalities?
So while growing up, Khushi was a little scared of me.
Because
I used to bully her a lot.
she used to bully me also.
Really?
She used to bully
Do
me.
I look like a bully?
Yes, you do.
No,
I
I
would
don't.
cry. I would
What?
go home crying because
She's
she.
bad. Because she would come with a fake accent every day. New accent she'd come.
I had this thing. I'd
Listen,
come.
we have seen those videos.
So basically, I was a fat kid, okay, and you know, in the Wii you can make your whatever your version
Version.
of the Wii. So she's like, I'm making you, and she made me like huge, and she started laughing, and I was like, yeah, that's my best friend.
But do you guys fight? Like, did you guys fight more back in the day and less now, or it's the opposite?
We actually never fight. It's weird. We never fight. We have like the stupidest fights. Like, and like the minute we know we're fighting, like
Yeah.
One of us starts
we
laughing.
start laughing. And if we actually have a serious fight, which we never do, like I swear I'm more depressed than anyone.
Yeah, like family problems, career problems, nothing like troubles me as
It's
much
like
as fighting with
I
her.
can't like function.
Yeah.
Like I'm like, she's like, what's happened?
In
And it's
Barcelona,
weird because like I
Yeah.
study in London and like, you know, like I don't get to speak to her that often. But like
Yeah.
if we fight, like it affects me like so much.
yeah.
There are certain friendships that even travel.
But
beyond.
Barcelona was a fight. I ran away from the hotel.
What?
Yeah, I don't even
Why did you
know
fight?
I don't know why we fought. Basically, her and Khushi wanted to go out and explore, and I didn't want to go out or something. I was getting nervous. I don't know what was happening. I didn't want to go out.
Yeah.
Basically, I said we'll stay in the room and we'll chill.
We are in Barcelona. Why will we stay in the room and chill?
This was the last day we had gone out and explored a lot, okay? And like late at night, I didn't want to go out and explore that day also because like 2-3 people recognized me. I got a little scared that day. Then I was like, we'll go home and chill. And then they were like, okay, you go home, chill. Me and Tanisha will go out. And then I was like, how can you all do this?
She doesn't think I'm responsible, basically.
Really?
Yeah.
But why do you say that?
These are wrong stories. I can't say. You lost your passport.
I didn't lose my passport.
What?
I lost one ID. It's a different story.
Okay, but anyway, we had this fight in Barcelona and I was really upset that they didn't want to chill with me. So I've left them at the hotel and ran out of the hotel, gone wandering on the streets of Barcelona. And her, Khushi and Naz have run out of the hotel in their night suits looking for me.
That is when you didn't want to get out of the hotel yourself.
Yeah, I mean, I ran out of the hotel.
Imagine she has spoiled everyone's night.
Coming back with my ice cubes and I see 3 of them standing in their night suits like with tears in their eyes because they thought I
cried?
ran away.
I was so worried about her, and Barcelona is not a safe city.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I found out that there was a stalker also that
Yeah.
day.
But you know, she told me that apparently when you guys were young, you guys planned to get married on the same day.
Yeah, we planned to get married on the same day. We got married in the same house.
Yeah.
Uh,
We had made a house plan, I remember. There was a building with Tanisha's apartment, mine and Khushi's.
Okay.
And we were all going to stay together with the house.
And you guys were planning to have kids on the same day.
yeah.
We didn't know how it would work out, but we were like, we'll all be in the hospital together.
Really? What was your age when you guys planned this?
I think
We were actually quite
we were old. She
We
was
were,
probably in the 9th and I was in the 8th.
Really?
we
Yeah.
were very innocent kids.
Very
That
innocent.
is
We didn't know.
I
We
must
have really strict parents.
Yeah.
Really? How many times have you guys sneaked out together or helped each other sneak out?
Sneaking out is actually tough.
It's very tough.
Yeah.
I don't think we've ever done that.
Oh,
We've always
really?
had to ask for permission.
Yeah, we've asked for permission. We've
So I mean, we tried to. So when we were younger, we like, because we used to live in Juhu, going to Bandra was like going to London.
yeah, it was
We
a
were
big
not
deal
allowed.
because all the
Carter
cool
Road
kids.
was like a big no for us. Like
Yeah.
we were not allowed to step in. So
Good.
one day, like we got really frustrated,
Yeah.
and Jay decided to write a letter
that were running
that
away.
we're running
from
away
home.
from home. So we have written a letter, and obviously we didn't do anything with the letter. We just kept it somewhere. And then a few years later, Khushi took the letter and she read it and she started crying.
She found it. She's like, "Are you really going to run away?" And she started crying.
What is that one thing that annoy you the most about the other person?
It annoys me that she can see through sometimes. Like I enjoy, like if I have a fight with someone, I enjoy fake crying, like during a breakup. I like doing that drama.
Is that
and she-
normal?
What?
Is that normal? She'd like lock herself in the room and she'd start crying, and I'll open the door, I'll start laughing, she'll also start laughing.
Because
I'm like,
she
why
knows
are
I'm
you
fake.
doing this?
Has that happened?
Yes.
Yeah, so
sir.
many
So many
times.
times. So many times.
You've laughed when she's going
When
to-
she's crying. Because I know this is not true.
What annoys you? I want to know.
Yeah. What annoys you? Is there a list?
She's late. She's untidy. What else? Yeah, I think just she's really late. She doesn't know timings. Like she'll say, yesterday she was supposed to come home. She's like, I'm 10 minutes away. I called her up and I'm like, where are you? She's like, I meant 40. The 4 didn't come. So I'm like, you can
I wrote 10
autocorrect.
instead of
And I'm supposed to like believe this. Like,
But talking about sleepovers, she told me that when you guys have sleepovers, you're the one pushing her off the bed. Is that
She
true?
sticks to me.
I get very scared in the night time.
She's very chipko. She wants to take my blanket. I have like, you know, God's grace, I have a big bed and everything. She will leave the whole bed and come and sleep on top of me. Like if I move little, she'll kiss me. I'm telling you, I'm right now in a live-in relationship with her. Like every time she's in town, like my
And
bag.
she wants so much attention, she'll text everyone like, I'm right next to her. She's like, I'm alone. She's not alone, she's with me. Okay, she just wants people to be like, oh, like, okay, like, you know, like, we're feeling bad. Like,
We'll
she
come
wants-
see you.
We'll come see you. But no, she is with me all the time. So people, I'm with her.
Whoever,
Who she's texting,
You
I'm
know.
alone.
they should know. What is the wildest or the wackiest or the quirkiest thing that you have done? Maybe which other friends wouldn't know of.
Are you okay? What is this?
She's remembered something.
What have you remembered? Can you whisper in my ear?
It's completely
What
fine.
did she say?
I'm sorry, no, let's get back to the interview. But you know, the thing is, me and her can sit in a room and like we'll have the wildest time. I mean,
Yeah.
that sounds wrong, but like, you know what I
She
mean?
means that like we don't need to like break rules to have like fun together.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like,
But you know, you guys have your relationship spans over years. So on that note, we will move on to the next segment. Here we actually discuss your relationships, how many boys you have dated, what is your opinion and what is your opinion on each other's relationships. Clearly, you guys have known each other for quite a while.
You know, Manila Auntie has given us a brief before this, like 10
please
times.
don't talk about
No
that.
boys, don't talk about boys.
She actually hasn't like had
This is a true best friend.
many boyfriends.
Rubbish.
I
What do you
swear.
mean rubbish?
This is from your reaction, I'm saying it's rubbish.
No, it's true. She hasn't. So the people that she's been with, most of them I've known from before. The ones that I've not known from before.
Most of them you've known, the ones you've not known, you made it sound like I was 50.
Okay. The one that I knew,
Yeah.
I really liked. Okay.
Okay.
And the one that I didn't know and have gotten to know, also I'm friends with. So like it's a good vibe.
Okay, what
But
about...
she, I mean, she's very protective of me,
Yeah.
like most people are in my life.
But I know when she actually likes a guy. No, I know when she's fake crying, when she's real
She
crying.
sees through too much.
So has it ever happened that you have not liked somebody she's dated?
See, I really trust her judgment in people. So I feel like if she likes someone, then I automatically like the person.
Yeah.
She's a better judge of character than I am, I think.
Yeah.
So she's always questioned people in my life. I've kind of always trusted her judgment, I think.
But you know, I want to ask you one thing, that you guys know each other for so many years. Like you said, that you guys are like sisters. Has it ever happened when you are dating somebody, or you want to date somebody, or you plan to date anybody in life, you would never put maybe that person before each other? Like, it happens, I have a friend who I don't think I can ever put before anybody, even if I'm seeing. Has that thought ever crossed your mind?
It's not even a thought to
It's not
cross.
even a
Like, no
thought.
one is ever going to come before her.
Exactly.
Like, that's not even a thought.
How can like?
Yeah. But any plans of, like, what are the kind of guys that you guys like? Like, do you guys have
Funny guys.
Yeah, humor is big for us, and you need to match up to our level. And in our heads, we're like
Really funny.
really funny. In life, we're not, but but yeah, sense of humor is
Sense of humor.
Has it ever happened when you've been at a place and maybe a guy has tried to be a little smart, and then you like ek do aise gaya hai, ya fir a verbal spat for each other? Has that happened?
no, we get excited for each other.
We get excited for each other.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we get very entertained by these things.
Yeah, because I mean we don't take it seriously,
Yeah.
so
For us, it's all funny.
it's all
only.
funny.
That's
we just
the
laugh on their face. That's
yeah,
what we do.
that we've laughed so many
So
times on
many times,
people's
so many
faces when they're trying to act cool, when they're trying to like, we just burst out laughing.
But Janvi, I want to ask you this. Have you ever been on a really weird date? Like, where you've gone expecting something and maybe it's turned out.
She doesn't date.
I don't date like that. I don't go out on dates. I think the last time I did that was like when I was studying
In
in
LA.
LA. I like
Went for a scary date.
went for a really
Scary.
scary date.
What happened?
It was wrong. It's a wrong story. I mean, he proposed something wrong, and I said, "Check, please. Time to bounce this situation."
Also, this is not just about boys, but I want to ask you this: that when you have such an strong emotional anchor in your life, in each other, when you are going through something which is as terrible as heartbreak or emotional stress, how do you stick by each other? How do you console each other? Is there a defense mechanism that works for each other?
We stick to each other.
We stick to each other, and I think we're really bad like that. We chadao each other. Like
Yeah.
we like, I don't know. Like I keep telling her like that she can do so much better, and stuff like that.
We really chadao each other. Like, yeah. We just make each other feel like it's everyone
I don't
else's
think she's
loss.
been like sad with me after the heartbreak ever.
Yeah. It's
Ever.
not possible.
It's just not possible.
It's just that she's cried and you've laughed at her.
Yeah.
She's made me realize also that I'm like
Yeah, and exactly.
Yeah.
I think she's made me realize that it's really not that important.
Yeah. But do you somehow sense that emotional anchor in her?
Yeah.
You have a sister who's Khushi. Khushi is a little younger than you. There are certain things, I don't know if you share everything with her, but there are certain things you can share with your friends who are closer to you in terms of
No,
age.
actually now we like Khushi's like a part of us.
Yeah.
Like,
She wasn't because she was much younger from
Younger.
her, but now she's like fully.
like I'll FaceTime her telling like my stuff to her, So
But having said that, I think me and her are more emotionally similar
Yeah.
then Khushi.
than
exactly.
Khushi. Khushi's more independent. She's more. I think we're a little like hopeless,
Hopeless,
romantic.
yeah. She's more headstrong. She
Yeah.
knows.
We do a lot more natak in our lives,
Yeah.
and we like encourage each other's natak.
But what are her reactions to the same? Like when you try to knock some sense in her, saying that you can do better. What does Khushi say?
Because she doesn't have the patience also for that. She'll just be like. Actually, she's very supportive, but she doesn't waste time on
Yeah.
massaging my ego about things.
Exactly.
Yeah.
She'll just get to the point. And she'll be like, "You're better than this shit."
Yeah. Tanisha, I'll ask you this. You were extremely close to the family, like you said that she ma'am was like your second mother. I won't ask her this. I will ask you this. When she was going through that episode and that whole event was happening, how difficult was it for you to internalize the pain and make sure that you are strong enough to handle her and Khushi because you're close to the family?
I think it was as bad for her, honestly.
Yeah.
So
I think it was as bad. I don't even remember that time. I was staying with them the entire time. I genuinely don't remember what happened.
I don't think any of us have
Memory.
of
That.
it's all a blur.
Yeah. But the best thing about her is that the way she has raised you, and I think she has got some hand in raising you as well because she was your second mother.
And
And
we've raised each other also.
Yeah, I was coming to that.
Yeah.
And the way you guys have raised each other, I think it's a beautiful relationship that you guys share. But there will be war in the last segment because it's a game. So we are back for the final segment with Tanisha and Janvi, and this is Battle Royale. It's a game called Guess the Price. So I'll be showing you a few products. You guys have to guess the price. Whoever is closer to the price will get a point. At the end of all the items shown, whoever has the highest one wins. Okay? Simple. Chalo, we'll start. So this is besan. This is 250 grams of besan.
You need this one.
Both of you have to say for each. So the one's closer.
Arey, say na something. Guys, I'm honestly,
I don't know this.
Guess.
150.
Both of you are saying 150.
Okay, I'll
120.
120.
say 150.
It's 35 rupees.
So I'll get it.
Yeah, you get it.
It's okay, so this I'm blaming on Naz and Priyanka. They have given me this false information.
But I was going to say something like 10 anyway.
So yeah.
So then you should have.
You win a point. Rose water.
15 rupees.
30.
28 rupees.
I was closer.
So Janvi gets a point. Shahad. Honey. This is, I'll tell you, this is 100 grams of honey.
25.
No more. Shahad is like.
Oh, sorry, 50.
Shahad is like cool. मतलब 100 होगा ना 100 तो है 100
Yeah,
शहद.
you please say 100.
100?
Yeah.
50? She gets a point at 62 rupees.
मैं पकड़ के मारूंगी आप लोगों को. Chocolate
This will be
Hershey's. This is
150.
Okay.
this is. I'm saying 170. You relax your Vishesh Tippanies that you've been giving me since when? 170.
This is 200.
I
So
won.
2 all. Oats.
Oats.
This is a 200 gram packet, is it? 200 gram packet.
I want to know what you're trying to prove with this
Yeah,
segment.
what is this?
Like, what is the
Some
point?
same questions you should have asked.
Yeah. 100. 240. 40. What? Just make up your mind and tell me.
100, 240.
45.
Okay, 45.
50.
It's 42 rupees.
I'm not okay with this. Stop helping her.
3, 2. This is a pack of 7
Whisper
sanitary
Ultra.
pads. Yeah.
99 rupees.
Okay.
75.
It's 78 rupees. So she gets it. 3 all. Final. Decider. It's 1 kilo salt.
5 rupees.
2 rupees.
2
20 rupees. क्या है 2 या 20 बोल रहा है?
Don't, Jay. It's not fair.
It's not fair.
Come on, tell her
Yeah,
something.
it's not fair.
20 rupees.
20, and what's your final?
7. 5. You said 2 first now.
No, but I want to say 20. Like,
What would you say?
I don't know. I'm feeling pressure, you guys. This is my first interview. 30.
Okay. It's 25.
But she said
both-
2020.
Yeah, she
I
said
said
20, you
20.
said 30.
30. So,
So both of
35
you get
each
it.
में.
And the deciding factor today will be 1 kilo onion, जिसका भाव बहुत बढ़ गया है, and that's why people are going crazy.
170.
Okay.
I know this.
1 kilo onion.
My mama told me about this,
Okay.
but I've forgotten.
200, are you sure? Okay. It's 99 rupees for a kilo. So Janvi has won after a lot of cheating.
Wait, but I thought onion का दाम बढ़ गया था ऐसे सब लोग बोल
हाँ,
रहे
तो
थे.
बढ़ के 40 रुपए से 99 हुआ है.
It didn't become 170.
170, it didn't become 200
But
also.
I thought she wanted because she said 170. I thought maybe she has some real information. I've trusted her.
And so, after the fight, Janvi Kapoor has won the round. And this is for you.
Thank you.
You can have everything that you want from here.
Thank you.
Thank you for doing this. And I'm glad that you did your first interview with us. And I'm glad that finally we did have a conversation. And I hope, you guys stay as cool BFFs like you are. Because the world needs more people like you too.
अरे अरे.
It's true. The bonding is amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Janvi Kapoor.
And this is Tanisha.
And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Pink Villa.